Michael Sofer has asked, what are some of the cost-effective tools for DTM connectors? So for anybody that doesn't know, Deutsch is a company that makes connectors. They make a really, really good range of really quite cheap connectors. There's three different types, DT, DTM and DTP. Different sizes, DTM being the smallest of them and actually also the most commonly used. Couple of tips there, I would say, stay away from the Chinese knockoffs of DTM connectors, definitely not up to the task, and also stay away from, if you can, from the knockoff open barrel crimp pins. The genuine Deutsch open barrel crimp pins are really good, and absolutely you'll get a really, really good result with exactly the same dies, exactly the same tool, and in fact even the same die sizes that I showed for that Super Seal 1.0 connector. What you want to go for, though, in the ideal world are what's known as the closed barrel connectors or the machined pins. So these pins, unfortunately, I don't have one to show as a sample here, but instead of being an open-shaped U-barrel like this, it's a completely enclosed circular structure that your copper conductor strands are inserted into, and then the crimp tool actually indents in from four sides, giving a really, really reliable crimp, and it keeps everything totally symmetrical as well, and that can be really helpful when you're pinning the connector. You can get pretty low-cost DTM crimping tools, and I've found them to be totally reliable. I've never had an issue with the low-cost ones. There is a toolkit made by Tool Aid. The part number on it, I think, is 18700. So if you Google Tool Aid 18700, really, really good toolkit. It comes with all three different size DT crimpers there. So it's for the DT, the DTM, and the DTP. And comes with a couple of other tools as well, a couple of general purpose tools, not this specific one, unfortunately, as this is a really good tool, but two other tools that look very similar to this that have slightly different die configurations. That question was taken from one of our free live lessons. If you like free stuff and you're the type of guy that likes to expand his knowledge, click the link in the description to claim your free spot to our next live lesson. You'll learn about tidally bundling a section of wiring harness, correctly splicing a single wire out to multiple wires that might need to head to the various sensors in your engine bay, and the materials and tools suitable for use in a motorsport environment. You'll also have the chance to ask your own questions, which I'll be answering live. Remember, it's 100% free, so follow the link to claim your spot.